the best car cleaners effortlessly remove stubborn dirt and grime, restoring shine, protecting paint, and keeping your vehicle looking fresh and well-maintained. My today's video is about top 5 best car cleaners for removing dirt and grime that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guy's Signature Series Orange Degreaser Spray. The Chemical Guy's Signature Series Orange Degreaser is a powerful cleaning solution designed to tackle the toughest grease, oil, dirt, and road grime with professional-level performance. Its heavy-duty formula works quickly on engines, tires, undercarriages, wheels, tools, and shop equipment, making it an excellent all-in-one degreaser for automotive enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. Whether used at full strength for stubborn buildup or diluted for routine maintenance, it delivers consistent and reliable cleaning results with a simple spray, scrub, and rinse process. The formula effectively restores dirty surfaces to a cleaner, refreshed appearance without excessive effort, helping maintain both the performance and appearance of your vehicle. Unlike many harsh degreasers, it features a pleasant citrus orange scent that makes cleaning more enjoyable while leaving surfaces fresh after use. Trusted by detailing professionals worldwide, this versatile engine cleaner offers exceptional value for anyone seeking a dependable, high-performance degreaser for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and garage equipment. Now our second product is 3D Orange Degreaser Citrus-Based Car Cleaner. The 3D Orange Degreaser delivers professional strength cleaning with a powerful citrus-based formula that quickly breaks down grease, oil, grime, and stubborn residues. Powered by natural delimiting terpenes, it provides fast, effective results while remaining gentle on a wide range of surfaces, including vinyl, plastic, leather, cloth, carpet, and metal. Its water-based, non-corrosive formula makes it safe for use around painted surfaces and bodywork, giving both professionals and DIY detailers confidence during every cleaning job. Unlike many heavy-duty degreasers, it leaves no sticky residue, streaks, or film behind, ensuring dashboards, trim, door panels, and engine components look clean and refreshed after every application. Whether you're detailing an engine bay or removing grease from interior surfaces, this versatile cleaner performs consistently without harsh chemical effects. Proudly made in the USA and backed by more than 25 years of automotive detailing research and development, the 3D Orange Degreaser combines premium quality, dependable performance, and outstanding value for anyone serious about maintaining a spotless vehicle. Our third product is Car Guy's Interior Car Cleaner. Super Cleaner is an impressive all-purpose detailing solution designed to simplify vehicle cleaning while delivering professional quality results. Its concentrated formula quickly cuts through stubborn dirt, grease, oil, embedded grime, and old stains that many standard interior cleaners struggle to remove. From leather seats and fabric upholstery to carpets, vinyl, plastic, rubber, metal, and even non-painted exterior surfaces, this versatile cleaner eliminates the need for multiple specialized products. The no-rinse formula makes cleaning fast and convenient. Simply spray, gently agitate with a microfiber towel, and wipe away the mess without leaving behind sticky residue or a greasy finish. Interior surfaces feel clean, fresh, and naturally restored after every use. The included professional microfiber towel enhances cleaning performance, while the 18-ounce bottle provides excellent value, lasting through multiple detailing sessions across several vehicles. Whether you're tackling everyday spills, steering wheel grime, or heavily used interiors, Super Cleaner offers dependable performance, convenience, and outstanding versatility, making it an excellent choice for both professional detailers and everyday car owners. Now number 4, Maxlone 20-ounce Car Spray. Maxlone Car Spray is an innovative waterless detailing solution that combines cleaning, shine, and long-lasting protection in one easy-to-use product. Simply spray and wipe to remove dirt while restoring a deep, glossy finish, no hose, bucket, or complicated washing process required. Its advanced triphene formula creates a durable hydrophobic barrier that repels water, road grime, salt, and contaminants, helping your vehicle stay cleaner for longer than with conventional waxes or quick detailers. Beyond painted surfaces, it safely enhances the appearance of metal, trim, and glass, delivering a consistent mirror-like shine throughout your vehicle. Designed for demanding environments, it withstands temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for wheels, exhaust components, and engine areas while also providing protection against UV rays, acid rain, and harsh chemicals. The concentrated formula offers excellent value, treating an entire vehicle with minimal product and allowing dilution for even greater coverage. For drivers seeking convenience, durability, and professional quality results, Maxlone Car Spray is an outstanding all-in-one detailing solution. And our last choice is concentrated aluminum brightener and cleaner. This concentrated aluminum oxidation remover is an excellent solution for restoring dull, weathered aluminum surfaces to a cleaner and brighter appearance. Its powerful formula effectively breaks down oxidation, surface discoloration, dirt, and stubborn grime, eliminating the need for excessive scrubbing while delivering professional quality results. Whether you're maintaining automotive parts, trailers, boats, RVs, wheels, or other aluminum surfaces, it helps revive the metal's natural finish and improves its overall appearance. One of its biggest advantages is its concentrated design, allowing users to dilute the product according to their cleaning needs. A single bottle can produce up to 4 gallons for regular maintenance or up to 10 gallons at lighter cleaning strength, making it both economical and long-lasting. This flexibility makes it ideal for homeowners, detailing professionals, and commercial users alike. Combining strong cleaning performance, excellent value, and easy application, this aluminum restorer is a dependable choice for keeping aluminum surfaces looking clean, refreshed, and well-maintained with minimal effort. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.